Hey guys, this is Tim here. After a long time, I've been really busy getting all kinds of other stuff going, but this is my black 51-300 Packard. Tried to get it running. It blew a head gasket, or blew the head itself, cracked the head. And when I got into it, I realized the poor girl hadn't been rebuilt since 1975. So I had poor compression, and I decided just to go for it and rebuild it. I do plan to sell this car, and I could not bring myself to selling it in the condition it was. It's a sweet car, drives beautifully. So I got this guy down in Auburn, California that has taken care of my other 300 Packard. The same shop is called Moore's Engineering Supply, and they're in Auburn, California. And so just got back from a trip from there, and you can see the intake exhaust manifold, brand new crank. There's ground the journals to 10. The block totally cleaned out. A whole set of new valves, guides, and lifters. We've bored out the pistons to be 40 over. A whole new set of lifters. My piston rods, timing chain, resurfaced cylinder head. There's my 40 over pistons. And we will now begin the assembly of this. It's kind of like Christmas in October for me, being able to put this together. I had Moore's take care of the valves and assemble all the valves and make sure they were all correctly had hard seats and whatnot, because I don't have a tool for the underhead valves. So here we go. Stay tuned.